Auto Tech here, and see what we got today. We got a 21 Sierra. Customer says to hear loud whining noise and gets louder when they increase in speed. We also have a few codes here, so let's see what we got going on. We got misfire, got some lean codes. We got what it sounds like a pulley. So we're gonna recommend a pulley and a belt, and then we're gonna dig into the misfire and the lean code. The lean's probably caused by a vacuum leak. So let's figure it out. Recommendation is going to be a new PCV valve, plugs and wires, belt, and idler pulley. AG Auto Tech. Like and subscribe for more GM Tech tips.